Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Suzette stitch. This again is a really simple stitch that is really good for beginners as it only uses 3 types of basic stitches. So a double crochet, a treble crochet and also a half treble crochet. These are UK terms. So if you want to learn this amazing stitch, then keep on watching. Tutorial, you're just going to need your yarn and your corresponding crochet hook. I am using a Paintbox DK and I have a 4mm crochet hook. So we're going to start our project by chaining an odd number. So I'm just going to do a sample piece, so I am going to chain 21. I do have some videos for the very basics if you've never crocheted before, and I suggest that you start with them rather than this stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we are going to start our piece with a half treble crochet, so I'm using UK terms, into the second stitch from the hook. So we never count second chain, sorry, so we never count this one on our hook. So this is 1 and this is 2. So we're just going to go into this space here with a half treble. Then we're going to skip the next chain space, and into the next chain space we're going to do a double crochet, and then we're going to go back into that same space with a treble crochet. Then we're going to skip the next chain space and we're going to repeat what we've just done in this stitch here. So a double crochet, followed by a treble crochet. We're going to skip the next chain space and then we're going to do a double crochet and then a treble crochet back into that same space, and that's what we're going to repeat all along. So skip 1 and then into the next one a double and into that same space a treble. So we're going to do that all the way along until we get to the end. So if you want to pause the video, I shall meet you back when we get near to the end, and I'll show you how to turn your work and how to do round 2. So I'm just coming up to my very last couple of stitches, so I'm going to skip this one. This is my second to last stitch, so I'm gonna double, I am gonna treble, and then in this very last stitch here we're gonna do a half treble, we're gonna chain 1 and we're gonna turn. And we're just going to repeat that over and over until your piece is the size that you want it to be. So first stitch, half treble, skip 1, double crochet into that stitch and treble crochet into the same stitch all the way along, and that is how you do the Suzette stitch. I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll leave all the links to my blog and my socials down below in the description box. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting.